lovelies, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara, and this video is going to be me outside again doing some garden design, working on some more labor intensive things in the garden. I hope you enjoy it. This is kind of like a continuation of my garden series for 2025. If you haven't checked out the previous garden video, I will link it in the cards above. And yeah, let's get to work.
Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face, yeah. Every single day just stays the same. I am giving all to you in vain, but I guess I had it coming, so why should I complain? Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I give you up, give you up? And when do I see myself?
All right, I've made some progress. I got these down here. I need about 1.5 more bricks, but then there's concrete right here, so I can't put a brick right there. And the concrete goes all the way up to here. So then I pick up where I left off, and I have this much left. But the thing is, I have to find more bricks in my yard. I know I have them, but they've been like piled up. They need to be cleaned off and everything. There's one right there. There's a bunch of them on this side that I need to pull out and clean off because they've been sitting there for so long. There's even more back here. They've been sitting there so long that they've started to have little varmints in them, ants and all kinds of beetles and bugs and things. So when I move them, I destroy a whole ecosystem. And I don't like doing that to them, but I need my bricks. And I piled them over here just for this moment, so I'm gonna have to pull them out. Also, I want bricks that don't have a hole in them, like these, like that one there. I need bricks that have like a solid face, like that one. So yeah, my peonies are coming up. Eventually I'm gonna have to thin these out because they are like really bunched up on each other, but maybe in the fall I'll do that. I'll move them over further over because over here there was supposed to be daffodils, but they never came up, so I'm gonna pull those daffodils out and put them in the other bed, which has the daffodils that come up, and then move these peonies over. But oh my gosh, thanks to my sorority sister Tina for giving me these out of her garden. I also had planted these. I think I planted this one, and there's another one very deep down in that looks like it that finally came up after 5 years. So anyway, look forward to those blooming. Right, the trench is dug up. I just have to dust off or clean off those bricks, and I can lay the rest of these down. But right now I'm gonna give my back a break, and I'll show you the final result once I get it all down.
Every day, repeat itself, repeat itself. They say I'm out of my head 'cause I keep telling myself one day you'll find me, and one day I'll find you, and we're off to what they call a good start.
So I had these extra pavers that I want to put along the edge here just to make it extend this out a little bit more, but I had to remove them from these pavers. Unfortunately, when I did, there were like so many different colonies of ants and worms and everything living under these pavers, so I am not gonna mess with these. I eventually do want to get these weeds from in between the pavers, but I might just do like a home remedy for that instead of chemicals or whatever, because I know that there's bugs and worms and things. I don't really like disturbing their colonies and stuff. I don't like it. It feels cruel to me, and I'm not about cruelty, but I do want to neaten this area up a little bit. So now I'm gonna start digging here, which again, gonna be disturbing more worms and bugs, but it has to be done. So hopefully I won't mess with too many. Anyway, these are gonna sit out in the sun and dry up, and all the little bugs that were on them can relocate to a new position.
Wash away the pain and put some makeup on my face. Every single day just stays the same. I don't really care and it's a shame. I know I had it coming and I don't care to explain. Why should I ever stop, ever stop? Why should I?
Okay, I'm done pretty much digging all the spaces where I'm gonna put new pavers, or those pavers that I didn't put down before. So I'm gonna take a break and I'll be back. All right, my lovelies, I am now finished with laying these bricks. This is concrete here. I can't lay it down here, but laying these bricks along this path. Tomorrow I will probably finish up the pavers here, but yeah, I'm all set to put those pavers down and extend the patio. I just want to give my body a break. There's lots of digging and bending and stooping and all that stuff. So anyway, you will see this once I start it tomorrow. Our bushes start to bloom, these beautiful flowers. I love when they do that every year. So pretty. But the path is looking really, really nice. Except for, the occasional greenery that likes to pop up. But yeah, looking good. Hi friends, it's the next day and I'm ready to lay these pavers, so let's get to it. Got 5 of them down. I have another 3 to put down because I'm gonna have to do something with this side of the patio. It's a total wreck, and this is a project for another day, so I'm not gonna go past this paver here, because see, that one's sunken down and there's just a lot of debris and grass and all this stuff in between. So I'm gonna have to pull these pavers up, get rid of all this mess over here, and straighten out this area. Everything got kind of shifted around when I got the garage built. So, this patio initially was where my greenhouse was. I miss my greenhouse, but I had already put these pavers down for the greenhouse, and so now I'm just extending it a little bit, and like I said, I have to rehab that other side, but we're almost done, and then this greenery, we'll see what I can do with this stuff. I eventually will get weed killer or some type of home remedy weed killer to get rid of this, all these weeds. Because I mean, I didn't have the sand, or I do have the cloth to put down, but the cloth that prevents weeds from coming up, but it's kind of too late. I mean, I could do it on this new line of pavers, but to be honest with you, I'm not really feeling like doing that today. And I think once I get rid of the weeds and get the weed killer out, it'll be all right. This is progress, not perfection here. So the bench is taking its rightful place. I have space to walk around the beds and around the bench. And the pavers relatively even. I'm gonna have to adjust this row a little bit. As you can see, it's like off just a little bit, because if you go down here, you'll see it kind of came away from that area. So I'm gonna have to reset this row. But luckily, it won't be too much of an issue. I just don't have time to do it today. But yeah, eventually this part will be even, and then I'll add another 2 pavers here. Well, there's one already here, but let's reset that and then add another one there. And then I'm thinking about, and you guys let me know if I should do this, adding bricks around the edge of the patio, like kind of how I did with the path. Should I add bricks here too? Because I do have access to more bricks, so I could do it, and I think that would make it look a little bit more finished. So let me know in the comments what you think I should do. Like I said, I do have more bricks, I can do it. Anyway, I think we're done for the day. I am eventually going to paint this bench. And yeah, it'll be a nice little oasis to watch whatever I grow in these beds. Okay, my lovelies, that is it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. It draws more attention to my channel, the more likes I can get. Also, like I said, comment below, should I use the bricks to outline the edge of the patio here? And also, I would like to have you back for the next video. We are going to try to continue outside for a little bit just because the weather is nice. I mean, today it's like, I don't know, high 70s, low 80s. It's really beautiful today. So I'm trying to take advantage of the good weather. I'm going to be working more on the compost bin and getting that set up. I found another pallet, so that's exciting. And yeah, if you want to see what I get up to, you know, whether it's outdoor activities and doing garden design or home makeovers, cleaning, organization, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Until I see you next time, take care.